that's the holy grail right there. Of all the muscle cars. I watched a documentary one time about old muscle cars, and they were talking about that the Mopars didn't sell as well because of the funky colors.
Yeah.
Nobody was into the lime greens. We want a green. We want a forest green.
Your three basic.
car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Three basic colors: white, black, and red.
With a forest green vinyl top with forest green interior. Yeah. What? Yeah, that's ugly. That orange, ugh. And that purple, that plum crepe, ugh. We want that
electric lime or whatever they called it.
That light green metallic. That's what we want. With a dark green vinyl top and dark green vinyl interior. That's what we're looking
with
for.
Gold trim.
Yes.
Gold inlays.
Yeah.
Inserts.
Hank Kirkpatrick, Tom Haddock, Marty Hayden, Kevin Hurley, Glenn Hilchey.
You think I wouldn't pull up on Sunday morning with this right here?
Yeah, I know I would. I know I would.
Kyle Martin, Tyrone Graham, Herbert Catalyst, Barrington Reddick.
Until a little man run into the side of it with a golf cart, then he'll be like,
Will Pruitt, Linwood Thompson, Philip Vance Story, Travis Sims, Scott Williamson, Trevin Smith. Your plaques are ready to be picked up here on the stage. You need to get them picked up because we got to use the stage for other things here before too much longer. Yeah.
That's one of them, super runners. That's a super runner.
Super bird.
Yeah, one of them there Plymouth.
Prius that make this thing look absolutely terrible.
I will tell you right now,
you will.
Shane's Mustang will blow the doors off that.
Oh, probably. No.
There he is.
Why didn't you bring the GTM up here?
Well, after looking at that Chevelle over there, hell, I should have. That thing looks like shit.
See that white C10 down there?
And what?
That white C10?
Oh, yeah.
I want to see underneath the hood.
Raise it.
I'm not touching it.
Scared?
Yeah.
Shane, pop the hood on this
Nah,
thing.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, so you might pop the hood and then someone's going to pop you.
Get hit with a tranquilizer dart from God knows where.
They probably open the seat.
Yeah, snipers.
See if they'll pop.
Y'all do y'all's Mechanicsville day.
That's badass right there.
Come on over here, Tim.
Is that a suggestion or?
Yeah. Well, no, he's opening the hood now, so.
Here we go. I just want to hear the horn.
So that's what was beating everyone back in the day.
Open the door and hit the horn.
Meep, meep.
Commando. And that thing's clean as a pin, ain't it?
I don't think that Optima red top was factory for 1970.
No. Probably not. He don't grab it.
Do what?
He don't drive it, apparently.
No, they don't drive this car.
Dude, I'd bring one in here that had rubber balls stuck with quarter pound.
Quarter pound. Is that just a single?
Yeah. Single.
Single, yeah.
Yeah, Shane's Mustang would eat this thing up.
Yeah, it would.
Probably sell for twice as much, too.
Are those functional?
What? No.
I didn't know if the scoop right there was functional or something.
Push that headlight cover down flush like it is. Pop!
I think if I touch this car, they will kill me.
Get Shane to touch it.
I'm gonna push Shane into it. His Mustang will definitely outrun this now.
Yeah, probably so.
In today's world.
Right.
You know, this was a contention for NASCAR.
The whole vehicle.
But this in particular, they didn't like.
It's not fair.
That's exactly what they said.
It's not fair. Y'all can't play anymore.
And the wing came about because the car was unstable at 180 miles an hour.
8,000 miles an hour.
Let's go talk about this thing.
I mean, what you're talking about, it's just a busted ass Plymouth.
Oh, Plymouth, Plowmouth?
Yeah.
What's up, Mechanicsville? We're here at the Shriners X Drag Expo. We were looking at one of the legendary garages, recent builds here, Plymouth Superbird.
Just old busted Mopar is all it is.
And we were talking about the fact that you could walk onto a Plymouth dealership, a Chrysler dealership in the 70s and say,
give me one of them.
I want one of them.
$27 a month.
Yeah. $20 down, $39.95.
I don't know how I'm going to make him payments. I bet that car's $3,800 new.
Yeah.
You had to be rich.
Yeah, you were in tall cotton.
Loaded.
Yeah.
Loaded.
So the legendary garage is part of Petty Enterprises. They're here in, I believe, Archdale, North Carolina, and they have put together several award-winning cars. One of them happens to be this car. There's some B-roll of the overall view of the car, but we were just astonished at the conversation that we were having. The fact that you could buy a brand new car like this in 1970, just
What color you want?
out of the 22 that were available,
Lime green?
lime green, plum crazy purple.
I like the orange. Or the green.
I'm not a big green fan, but the orange works for me. I like the orange.
And I don't care if it's automatic on the collar.
No, man, it's got a 440 in it already. You got to have the pistol grip.
That's going to bump your payments up $2 a month.
I think I can handle that.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll turn in Coke bottles for that much.
I tell them take the AM FM out, just put AM in it.
Yeah.
And one speaker in the
One
package
speaker
tray.
in the back. That's it. That's all I need.
Get my payments down.
Yeah, where I can afford them.
No floor mats. I don't want floor mats.
And this car in its current state is probably $250,000. It's a beautiful car.
Fact. It's got a lot of stuff Chevrolets ain't got.
Tim Arnold, Lester Artis, Leon X, TJ.
Somebody about to get slapped.
Do what? Yeah, he did. He did.
You know what to fix that? Russian sickle. I'm not even Russian, but I know how one works.
Probably some inferior automotive gym.
Yeah. Not the Mechanicsville. Talking about the Superbird.
Wayne Mike Nelson, Will Pruitt, Linwood Thompson.
And conversely, you could step onto any Chevrolet dealership in 1969
You
and
get
say,
you one of them there DZ motors.
yeah, DZ302.
I want one of them DZs, dark green, if you don't mind, and it better have dark green interior.
And that's factory installed AC too,
290 horsepower, they say.
they say.
He said he got the original motor at the house.
About 7,800 RPM, they say.
For insurance purposes,
Right,
we're going to keep
right.
that down to 290 horsepower.
Yeah, because we don't want y'all to really know.
Factory 4-speed.
Oh, Lord. It's got 3 pedals in it. Y'all want me the green one with the green interior?
British Racing green with white stripes.
Yep, and I want that there small block Chevrolet
Small block Chevy.
DZ motor. Yeah, these old cars right here would get down the track.
These are the Plymouth and this Chevrolet Camaro this is the pinnacle of muscle car. This was
the Camaro.
Yeah. They all the manufacturers were in what was known as the pony car race.
Yep. Camaro, Barracuda, Mustang.
And most
Challengers.
often than not, the dealership, well, not the dealerships, but the manufacturers, it didn't matter to them. They were in it to win it and sell it on Monday.
Well, we're going to stumble across a Pontiac, surely. There's a Pontiac in here somewhere.
We'll find one.
There'll be a GTO up in this Humpty Bump.
If it's in here, we'll find it.
And I see just a regular Roadrunner.
Yeah.
This is
the Superbird.
Yeah, this is the Superbird not on steroids.
Yeah, the Superbird, the nose extension that was on it was very much contentious for the NASCAR
All
brethren.
too fast.
Yeah, they were cheating.
Yeah. Don't bring that to our track no more.
And that wing was added because it was a Daytona, like a Daytona special. That was the only thing that made the car stable over 180 miles an hour.
This one got a 4-speed in it. Payments just went up $6.
Vinyl top.
Armrest, that's another $2 a month.
Yeah.
It's almost the same color. It's got more red in it.
Yeah.
Still a pretty car.
Yeah, I think this is the one they called Victory Red. I don't know. I'm not much up on the
Still crazy to
color
think.
names. Yeah.
You pull up at a Plymouth dealership and half a dozen of these be out on the lot.
Line in the front row, right there on Main Street.
I want one of those Belvedere station wagons. That's why I'm here.
Yeah. And look at the shape of the back glass.
I know. That's fat. Just craftsmanship, man. Just artwork.
What's up with the body gaps? Yo. Just like Tesla.
That's the way mine is. It don't shut right either. I like the wheels, man. Wheels look good on that car.
Well, you know, you definitely hope that you got a car that was built in the middle of the week.
It's Friday.
Yeah.
It's good. Shut it.
You didn't want one on Friday and you didn't want one on Monday.
No, I'm hungover on Monday. Shut it, lock it, it shuts. All right, we're out of here. It's 5 o'clock.
There you go.
Come on.
We're going. We go. Bye. We've looked at 2 of the big 3.
And if a man's got to have a Ford, I mean, if he's just got to have a Ford, that's the one to have. Mach 1 Mustang, as far as I'm concerned anyway.
Yes.
Or fastback Mustang, they're cool. But, I mean,
This was it.
this is a nice Mustang. 4-speed car, pretty blue. I mean, nice Mustang.
Yes, this would be a model that I would own if I owned a Mustang.
That's
428 Cobra Jet.
70 maybe? 1? What's that, a 351?
No, that's actually a 428.
Is it?
Yeah.
Even better.
Has the functional Cobra Jet air cleaner, often called a shaker. because it's independent of the actual hood. So the cam motion of the car when it shakes.
Or when it drops a valve.
Yeah. Or it does have an automatic opening when you start shooting stuff through the hood.
True. And of course, we got the red one over here. With the chrome Kragers on it. That was the thing back in the day. Chrome Kragers. 4-speed car.
Ooh.
302, that was a hot motor back in the day.
302.
That's
This looks like a
69.
Yeah, 69. Looks like a street drag.
Yeah.
Got some pretty wide radials on the back of it. It's a good looking example of a Mustang.
Flat black hood.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Again, with the shaker.
Mm-hmm. If a man's going to own a Ford,
This is the
that's
Ford
a
to have.
perfect example of one to
What
be
to
looking
have.
at. I mean, if you can't find a nice GTO, and the man just wants to lower his standards a little bit and get a Ford, there you go. Different strokes for different folks. But there's a Pontiac in here somewhere, and I will find it.
The one.
I will find it. If it hair lips the Pope.
The one.